How to claim rewards on JumpTask. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim rewards on JumpTask. To claim rewards on JumpTask, first of all, you'll need to open your JumpTask application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this page, you will need to browse through the valuable tasks on this platform. These can include taking surveys, playing games, watching ads, or completing other simple tasks. Each task typically takes only a few minutes to complete. In this homepage, you may also scroll down and there you will find daily reward. You will need to tap on this claim reward button right here, and then you will see this pop up on your screen. Here tap on the agree to continue button at the bottom, and by doing so you will be able to earn jump tokens. Once you have received your daily reward, you will need to come back after 24 hours and then you will be able to claim another reward. You will also be able to find other tasks on this platform. And upon completing these tasks, you will earn jump tokens. The earnings are usually credited to your crypto wallet within 3 days after the task completion. Once you have accumulated enough jump tokens, you can withdraw them to your connected crypto wallet. Ensure that your wallet is properly set to receive these tokens. And you can also trade your jump tokens on exchanges, take them for potential growth, or use them for purchases like gift cards depending on the platform's offering. So by following these steps, you can effectively claim and manage your rewards on JumpTask. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.